So, you had a fun night out on the town last night with your romantic partner or a few close friends. Although you may have had a great time the night before, you may be feeling a little bit weird the next day, especially if you consumed alcohol. If alcohol was consumed, you may be experiencing the ever so dreaded hangover. Anyone who has ever experienced a hangover before knows the feeling of just wanting it all to go away. Unfortunately, many individuals believe that there is no cure for a hangover. Although cure may not be the best word used to describe seeking treatment, there are a number of natural remedies which many claim to provide hangover relief. You are looking to relieve yourself from a hangover? Please continue to watch full video on natural remedies as well as tips for your next alcohol drinking outing are highlighted in these video. Water is a natural remedy for hangovers. Before heading to sleep, after a night of drinking a lot of water can assist with your hangover the next morning. Alcohol, especially when consumed in large amounts, can impact a body's hydration, which can result in unpleasant feelings the next morning. That is why a glass or two of water before bed is a great idea. The next morning, as soon as you wake, start drinking even more water. In addition to helping to treat a hangover, drinking water before you starting consuming alcohol also has a number of benefits. Eating can also help with a hangover from too much alcohol consumption. Eating should be done before, during, and after alcohol consumption. Most importantly, it is important not to consume large amounts of alcohol on an empty stomach. This increases a drinker's likelihood of becoming intoxicated or drunk, and it also increases the chances of a hangover the next morning. Eating before, during, or after alcohol consumption can slow down the rate in which alcohol is absorbed into the body and bloodstream. As for vitamins, which many individuals turn to when looking for a natural remedy, vitamin C and B is recommended for hangover relief. It has been claimed that vitamin B helps to shorten the length of a hangover. As for vitamin C, it can help to break down the alcohol in your body, also assisting with a hangover, namely by preventing one, shortening its length, or reducing symptoms. When it comes to a headache associated with a hangover, there are many individuals who take pain relievers. Of course, this approach will work for many, but it is not natural. If you are concerned with that you are putting in your body, you may be looking for a more natural way to relieve the headaches often associated with hangovers. A natural way to relieve a headache associated with a hangover is to place a cold pack on the head. However, a Ziploc bag filled with ice will also do. Depending on the activities that you have planned for the day, consider getting extra rest, preferably with an ice pack on your head or neck. An extra tip to help reduce the likelihood of a hangover involves limiting alcohol consumption. Many professionals recommend pacing yourself with one alcoholic drink an hour, as anything else increases the chances of a hangover. As previously stated, eating before, during, and after alcohol consumption can help with hangovers, as you aren't drinking on an empty stomach. Eating, even just snacking, while drinking will reduce the amount of alcohol consumed, as you are doing something other than just drinking. Also, some mixed drinks, especially those that are tasty, fruity, or sugary, should be avoided, as it is hard for some drinkers to gauge the amount of alcohol they are actually consuming. The above-mentioned natural remedies are just a few of the many that you can use to relieve the symptoms of a hangover. Also, the tips mentioned above can also reduce your chances of having a hangover following the consumption of alcohol.